Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tandai Mbonano and I'll be taking you through this beginner tutorial for C++. This is an introductory video where we'll be looking at algorithms, program design. We'll also look at what is C++ and also look at a simple C++ program. So let's dive into it. Algorithms are under programming and problem solving. So what are algorithms? Well, it is easy to think the hard part of solving a program on a computer is translating new ideas into the language. But it's not that. The most difficult part is discovering the method of solution. And that's where algorithms come in. Or an algorithm is a sequence of precise instruction that leads to a solution. And it may be expressed in a programming language or a human language. So let's look at a simple algorithm. Right, this is an algorithm that determines how many times a name occurs in a list of names. So firstly, we get the list of names, then get the name being checked, then you set a counter to 0, and then you do the following for each name on the list. You compare the name on the list to the name being checked, and if the names are the same, then add 1 to the count. And then lastly, you announce that the answer is the number indicated by the count. So that's all we have to know about algorithms for now. Just take it as a recipe for what you have to do, whereby you list everything you have to do and write it in English. So the following part to look at is program design. So a program design has 5 steps called a software life cycle. So the first step of the software life cycle is analysis and specification of tasks. That's where you ask yourself, what should the program do? The second step is designing the software. That's where you ask yourself how the program will run, and that's where you write your algorithm, your pseudocode. Then the third step is implementation, whereby you transfer your pseudocode to actual machine code. And then after that, you test it and debug. And then after testing and debugging, you may give your program to your clients. And then after that, you have to maintain it and add new features as part of evolution. Next, we are going to the introduction to C++, whereby we look at the origin and then assemble program. So C++ is derived from the C programming language, as you may notice the C, and it was developed by Jan Strostrup in the early 1980s, and it was designed to be a better C, as it offers more features than the C language. This is a simple C++ program, and as you may see on the first line, we have hashtag include IOStream, and this is a include directive which tells the compiler where to find information about input and output file. And then we have using namespace standard, which tells that the names defined in the input output stream are to be interpreted in the standard way. And then in line 4 we have int main, which is our main function, and there should be only one main function in a C++ program. So this is where execution begins. And in line 6 we have cout testing 1 2 3, and this is a printing statement whereby you tell the compiler to print this string onto the console. And then line number 7 we have return. So this is a exit statement whereby you tell the compiler when you reach this line you end the program. And this is the basic layout of C++ program. We have firstly our include directives, then using namespace, you open our main function, then we declare variables, and then we put our statements, and then we end our program. We will look closely into variable declarations in the next lesson, which I will post soon, and also how to execute statements in the following statements. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the content, and please follow me and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook and on Twitter. I'll leave my links in the description below. Thank you.